Hi everyone, a very fresh morning to all. So welcome to EVS class. So today's date is 4/8/21. Okay, August 14. Okay. So in last video we learned about food for health. Okay. So why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. We need food to live and grow. So all living things need food to live. ओके हमें जिंदा रहने के लिए फूड की बहुत ज़रूरत है. ओके सो ह्यूमंस हैव डिफरेंट ईटिंग हैबिट्स. Okay, some are like to eat vegetarian and some are like to eat non-vegetarian. Okay, so humans also have different eating habits. Okay, so in this chapter we learned about food. We divided in 3 groups like energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. There are 3 food groups in our chapter, and also we learned about meals a day. Okay, we take meals a day, 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, so also we learned some key words to be healthy. Okay, so today we are going to do exercises in textbook. So please open your page number 61. Okay, so before going to start exercise, I will explain again chapter. Okay, so energy giving food we divided in 3 groups. Okay, so we eat different kinds of food. Okay, so for almost food comes from plants. Okay, so plants gives us food, also animals gives us food. Okay, so energy giving food. What is energy giving food? Okay, energy giving food. Why do we eat energy giving food? We eat energy giving food to be healthy, and energy giving food gives us energy to work and play. हमें काम करने के लिए, खेलने के लिए हमें कौन सा फूड करता है? एनर्जी गिविंग फूड. एनर्जी गिविंग फूड गिव्स अस एनर्जी टू वर्क एंड प्ले. एग्जाम्पल्स: राइस, wheat, potato. Okay, these are examples of energy giving foods. Okay, so next move to bodybuilding foods. Body building foods. So what is bodybuilding foods? Bodybuilding foods gives us, it keeps our muscles and bones strong, and it helps us to grow. Okay, बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड्स हमें क्या करती है? हमको ग्रो करने के लिए मदद करता है और हमारे बोन्स एंड और मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए हेल्प करता है. तो इसमें एग्जांपल्स: मिल्क, eggs, also meat, fish, chicken. These are all bodybuilding foods. Okay, so milk, eggs, these are bodybuilding foods. So why we eat bodybuilding foods? Because bodybuilding foods makes us strong, makes our bones and muscles strong. Okay, next, protective food. What is protective food? So protective food, protective food protect us from falling ill. Protective फूड कीप्स अस फ्रॉम फॉलिंग इल। मतलब प्रोटेक्टिव फूड हमें हेल्प करता है हम ताकि बीमार ना पड़े। इसमें क्या आते हैं एग्जाम्पल, फ्रूट्स, nuts and vegetables. Okay, these are all protective foods. Fruits and nuts, protective food, protect us from falling ill. Okay, so you all know our body needs mineral, calcium, proteins, है ना? So these all food groups gives us calcium, potassium, minerals, vitamins. Okay, so that's why humans need all minerals. Okay, like vitamins, calcium, minerals, potassium. Okay, so ये सब हमें कहाँ मिलता है? नट्स में, फ्रूट्स में, वेजिटेबल्स में, एनर्जी गिविंग फूड में, बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड्स में. ओके, सो मील्स इन अ डे. मील्स, व्हाट इज मील्स? जो हम डेली खाते हैं हम उसको मील्स बोलते हैं. सो अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ फूड वी ईट एट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. A particular type of food we eat at particular time is called meal. We eat 3 meals a day. Okay? We eat 3 meals a day. Breakfast. Breakfast कितने बजे लेते हैं? मॉर्निंग 7 to 8 AM के बीच में. लंच 12 to 1 PM. ओके, एंड डिनर इसको सपर भी बोलते हैं. ओके, डिनर हम कम लेते हैं नाइट 7 to 8 के बीच में. ओके, इसीलिए हम बोलते हैं अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ मील्स वी ईट एट पर्टिकुलर टाइम इज कॉल्ड अ मील. वी ईट 3 meals a day. We eat 3 meals a day. First one breakfast, second one lunch, and third one supper. Okay, so also we learned about some key words to be healthy. Okay, so please read that page. Okay, so today we are going to do exercises. Page number 61. Let's understand. Okay, ये fill in the blanks. So we are going to do exercise A, fillers. Okay, this one. Clear? So first is, so what is first filler? We need food to blank. Why do we need food? Without food हम जिंदा नहीं रह सकते? No, हम फूड के बिना जिंदा नहीं रह सकते. Okay, so all living things need food to live and grow. Okay, so first is we need food to blank. So what is the answer? We have 2 answers. One is breathe, second is live and grow. So what is the right answer? So right answer is live and grow. This is the answer. Okay? Okay, so why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. हमें खाना क्यों चाहिए? हमें खाना जिंदा रहने के लिए और बढ़ने के लिए चाहिए. Live means जिंदा रहना, grow means बढ़ने के लिए. Okay, so next move to second one. We should eat amount of food to stay healthy. Full stop. Okay, so we should eat blank amount of food to stay healthy. तो हमें हेल्दी रहने के लिए कैसे फूड लेना है? द राइट लेना है या लेस फूड लेना है? सो द आंसर इज वी शुड ईट द राइट. So the answer is we should eat the right amount of food to stay healthy. मतलब हमें हेल्दी रहने के लिए हमें राइट अमाउंट में फूड लेना है, ना लेस लेना है ना मोर देन लेना है. ओके, जितने हमारे बॉडी को चाहिए उतना हमें लेना है. ओके, so finish two fill-ups. I will repeat third one. Okay. So I am going to start third fill-up. So write with me. Okay. आप मेरे साथ लिखोगे तो मुझे यहाँ वेट करना नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके. So only आपको आंसर ही फिलअप करना है. ओके. थर्ड वन. ओके. So first blank आया है. Blank. Food make our bones. Foods make our bones and muscles strong. Full stop. Okay, so blank. Foods make our bones and muscles strong. So ये which type of food? हाँ, हमारे बोन्स और मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाने के लिए हमें we have to write here energy giving food. Energy giving. Okay, so energy giving also, energy giving food gives us energy to work and play, but it gives us also, makes us our bones and muscles strong. So energy giving food helps us to keep our muscles and bones strong. Okay, so next move to fourth one. Protect us from falling sick. So this is question. Okay, blank, protect us from falling ill. Which type of food keeps us from falling ill? Any guesses? Yes, that is nuts. Because nuts means dry fruits. Okay, so nuts means dry fruits like kaju, badam, kishmish, pista, akhroot. These are all example of nuts. Okay, so आप यहाँ पे fruits, vegetables भी लिख सकते हैं, but in our textbook nuts और eggs को दिया गया है option. तो nuts protect us from falling sick. Sick means बीमार. Ill means भी बीमार. Okay. So now last one. Fifth one. Okay. We usually eat usually eat blank meals in a day. What is the meals? A particular type of food we eat at particular time is called meals. We eat 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch or dinner. Okay, so यहाँ पे there are 2 options in our textbook. One is 3 and second one is 5. So any guesses? What will answer come? Yes, 3. Okay, so we usually eat 3 meals in a day. Which are they? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, complete it. Next we are going to move to do match the columns. Okay. Okay, so now I am going to explain match the following. Okay. So what is that? Exercise B. What is the name? Match the column. Okay. मैं मैचिंग लिख देती हूँ. Okay. First of all, energy giving foods. ENERGY, giving foods. Second one, projective food. I am going to write column A. Okay. Now third one, body building food. And the fourth one, stale food. And the last one is fresh food. Okay, so we are going to answers here. Okay, so first का answer, second का answer, third का answer, fourth का answer and fifth का answer. Okay. Next I am going to write answers, column B. Okay, column B. Okay, so first है A, healthy. B है sick. Sick means बीमार, healthy means अच्छे से रहना. Energy for work. For the body to grow, D है for the body to grow, and the E is to protect us from falling ill. अगर आपको बोर्ड पे नहीं दिख रहा है तो मैं इसीलिए रीड करते हुए लिख रही हूँ ताकि आपको समझ में आए. Okay, now we are going to match the columns. Okay, this is A column, these are questions, and this is B column, these are answers. Okay, तो first क्या है? Energy giving foods. Energy giving food क्या हमें मदद करता है? Any guesses? Yes, energy giving food gives us energy to work and play. Okay, so first का आंसर है सी। मैं यहाँ थोड़ा डार्क लिखूंगी ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए। सी। सो फर्स्ट का आंसर है सी। एनर्जी गिविंग फूड गिव्स अस एनर्जी टू वर्क। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट प्रोटेक्टिव फूड। प्रोटेक्टिव फूड क्या करता है हमारे लिए? प्रोटेक्टिव फूड टू प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम फॉलिंग इल। इज इट ट्रू या फॉल्स? या, दिस इज राइट आंसर। सेकेंड का आंसर है प्रोटेक्टिव फूड टू प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम फॉलिंग इल। तो सेकेंड का आंसर क्या रहेगा? ई। ओवेल्स का ई आएगा। ओके, ई इज ओवेल्स। थर्ड वन, बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड। सो बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड से हमें क्या मदद मिलता है? बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड, we take body building food for the body to grow, and body building food makes our body and bones and muscles strong. Okay, so third का आंसर क्या है? D. So third का आंसर is D. मैं इसीलिए आपको डार्क में लिख रही हूं ताकि आपको आंसर समझ में आए। Okay, so next move to fourth one. Fourth one is stale food. मैंने stale means आपको बताई थी बासी खाना। Okay, stale food का क्या आंसर आता है? stale food हमें बीमार कर देता है। क्या कर देता है? बीमार कर देता है। तो eating stale food make us sick या make us ill. What? Eating stale food makes us sick और ill, दोनों में एक भी लिख सकते हो ना। सो फोर्थ का आंसर क्या है? बी। फोर्थ का आंसर बी। ओके, सो नाउ फ्रेश फूड रह गया। फिफ्थ वन, फ्रेश फूड। ओके, फ्रेश फूड हमें क्या मदद करता है? टू बी हेल्दी। Okay, so eating fresh food keeps us healthy. Okay, I will repeat again. Eating fresh food keeps us healthy. The answer is A. Okay, so I will repeat again. Energy giving food gives us energy to work. Energy giving food gives us energy for work. Protective food to protect us from falling ill. Body building food for the body to grow. Eating stale food makes us sick. Okay, बासी खाना खाने से हम बीमार होते हैं। So eating stale food makes us sick. Clear? Now fifth one, eating fresh food keeps us healthy. Eating fresh food keeps us healthy. Okay, so I hope you guys understood about exercises and matchings. So please do this homework in textbook. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow with new exercise like C and D. Okay, so be safe, keep learning, have a wonderful day children, take care, bye bye.